Hey everybody, here is the final on my IMSA BMW. I think it's a 2019. This was a NUNU kit. Went together really well. These are really good kits. A lot of detail. I can't remember what part actually gave me trouble, but it wasn't that bad of a problem. Kind of went away really quick. They are good to take your time, and you can add a lot of detail. Probably one of my favorite pieces is the louvers. Them are separate. So you decal those, clear them and everything separate, and you can get them to look really good that way. There is mesh in the front grille, unless you have a flashlight on them. You can't really see it that well. Let me see if I get. A great kit. This is one that Keith did give me. They get nice brake details and all that. And there you can see the mesh. Really cool fog lights and all that. Just a great kit. I did wet sand it. I made the antenna out of a wire and a brass tube. But so many decals in this kit. It was insane the amount of time just putting decals in. This was probably the first one I actually had to check off the decals after I applied them on, on the instruction manual. But went together very well. I'm really happy with how it turned out for me. The underneath, there really is nothing. These pieces I'm going to break off because I keep on touching them. So I'll have to re-glue those on. The exhaust is pretty cool how it came out. The kit tells you to put the wheels on, then put the body on, but put the wheels on after the body's on. Or you could break your pins. So, but I think I ended up breaking one of the pins on one of the wheels. But no big deal, it'll be easy to fix. So, until the next video, which will be a whole new kit, I'll see you then. Bye.